Coaching time! May sumulat sa atin at nanghihingi ng clarity about doon sa sitwasyon nila. Now, sabi dito, Coach, been wondering, nakita ko yung post mo na love is based on a decision, not feelings. So, currently, nasa relationship kasi ako and kuhang-kuha mo yung part ng partner ko. Basically, gusto niya puro kilig and pag may misunderstanding, puro flight response yung ginagawa. Pero, nagre-repost ng kung ano-ano sa TikTok na ako yung masama. That's very common na ginagawa ng mga tao. Hindi lang actually ng babae, pero mas common siya sa babae. Ginagawa nila yung pagpo-post ng mga sad quotes, ng mga sad relationship status, or mga parinig, so on and so forth. Because they want sympathy. They want other people to make their feelings better at para i-confirm na hindi sila yung problema at ikaw yung may problema. Tapos, nagwa-wonder ako sa part na sila yung mga taong hindi makakahanap ng long-term relationship. And nasa phase na ako ng ganyan na mag-decide para makipaghiwalay. Ako po ba yung problema talaga or sila na mga ganyang tao? Well, if they are not going to talk about or be reasonable doon sa away nyo, then you have your answer. Ikaw na gustong makipag-usap versus siya na gustong kumuha ng simpatsya sa social media. I guess with that, you already have an idea kung gaano siya ka-mature as a partner. Well, I think bata pa naman kayo. You could either work it together or work it apart. Well, this is your lifestyle coach, Mark. You could book a free clarity session so that we could check if we could work together. Have a good day.